In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your refund method in the file section if you need to change where your refund is sent. This is a simple process and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Before you begin, make sure you have your updated banking details ready, including the correct routing number and account number. It's always a good idea to double check these numbers in advance because even a small typo can cause delays or send your refund to the wrong account. To get started, go to the file section of the platform or application you're using. This area is typically where you'll find submission details, final review options, and any payment or refund settings connected to your return. Once you're in the file section, look for the refund method settings. This is the part that controls how your refund will be delivered. Next, edit the refund method. When you open this setting, you may see the current refund option already listed. Carefully select the option to update or change it so you can enter new banking information. Take your time here and make sure you're editing the refund destination, not another payment-related setting, since some systems may show similar financial options in the same area. Now enter your new bank routing number and your new account number in the appropriate fields. Be sure to type both numbers exactly as provided by your bank. The routing number identifies the financial institution, while the account number directs the funds to your specific account. If the system asks you to confirm the account number, enter it again carefully so the information matches. As you complete this step, review everything one more time before moving on. Accurate bank information is extremely important when updating a refund method. If the numbers are incorrect, it could lead to processing issues or delays in receiving your money. Once the new routing and account numbers have been entered, you're essentially done with the update process for this section. At this point, just make sure the edited refund method reflects your new banking details correctly on the screen. And that's it. You've gone to the File section, edited the refund method, and entered new bank routing and account numbers. If you're following along in your own account, move slowly, verify each number carefully, and make sure the final information shown is correct before you finish.